Photosynthesis. Extra surface is good for photosynthesis. A lot of times these are found in shady areas, so the bigger the leaf, the more chance of getting some of the sunlight. And when you see big leaves, you know that these plants are usually in places where there is a lot of water. Because if there's not a lot of water, what do the leaves look like? They're very small. So like the desert, you have cactus. The little needles have been so modified because there's not a lot of water. So if you see big leaves, you know that there is a lot of water. This is a big leaf tree here, so it must have plenty of water there. So the leaves tip you off about their environment. Sometimes the flowers tip you off about who pollinates them. So things with tiny leaves are usually in more drier areas. Aha! We made it to California. Had to go the wrong way around.
In Africa.
So this is native California plants in here. Here's a madrone. Evergreen. What is an evergreen?
Conifer?
An evergreen is it's a gymnosperm, and you're right, and it's a kind of plant that does not drop its leaves. So evergreen just means that it stays green the whole year, as opposed to, what's the other kind of plant that does drop its leaves? Deciduous. Okay, so know the difference between an evergreen and a deciduous. So this one, it says this evergreen tree is in the heather family. Ranges from British Columbia to San Diego County in coastal oak woodlands. The smooth trunks are clad in peeling cinnamon brown bark. In spring, clusters of white shaped flowers. Urn. Sorry. Urn-shaped flowers attract bees. So it's not a gymnosperm, it's an angiosperm. Oh yeah, because there's the flowers. Okay. They attract bees. Flocks of birds devour the red berries in fall. Large, majestic social trees serve as meeting places for indigenous peoples.
What was its name?
This is the madrone, or the madrone.
And that's the refrigerator tree?
The refrigerator tree is the manzanita.
It looks like that.
Oh, here's one. Right? No, that's
that.
Yeah, it is. It looks just like that. Maybe that's the other name for it. Let's see if we can find one that's like manzanita. A manzanita is called a refrigerator tree just because when you put your hand on the bark, it's very cold. Yeah, it's a manzanita. So,
Oh yeah, it says manzanita.
this is like a coastal woodland area. This would be a angiosperm, I think, because it's got little berries, little flowers. Here's the little flowers. Okay. And I don't know why its bark always stays cool. But it's called a refrigerator. And it's native to California. And here's our oak tree. So there's lots of oak trees, especially down near Santa Barbara and along the coast up towards like Pasarolas area. This small evergreen tree is the rarest of all California tree oaks. It is native only to Southern California's Channel Islands. Wow, and Mexico's Guadalupe Island. So this particular oak is very rare. Fossil evidence reveals that this species was once widespread across California in the geologic past when the climate was warmer and wetter. Today, this oak persists only where the presence of summer fog and warm ocean waters resemble its ancient environment. Island oak is gaining popularity as a landscape tree. So who used oaks a lot? So Native Americans used oaks. The acorns. There used to be
a little...
What park? Like that in your brother?